Serious charges were brought before the St. George's No. 1 Magistrate's Court on Monday as 48-year-old Roger Johnson appeared before Chief Magistrate Francine Foster. The Mount Granby St. John resident has been charged with 6 counts of sexual intercourse with a minor between the ages of 13 and 16. The alleged incidents reportedly occurred on different dates in February of this year. This latest development comes just days after Johnson was extradited to Grenada from St. Vincent and the Grenadines, where he was fined just about 500 Eastern Caribbean dollars for unlawfully entering the neighboring island by boat between February 1st and 28th. He is being represented in the matter by defense attorney Anselm Clouden, who has formally requested full disclosure from the police prosecution team to prepare his defense.
In my respective view, my respectful opinion, we have a good case. Those allegations cannot stand. It is my view, having regard to the surrounding circumstances and the evidence that is marshaled so far.
Johnson was remanded to the Richmond Hill prison pending Chief Magistrate Foster's ruling on his bail application, which has been reserved for May 16th. The prosecution initially objected to the granting of bail, citing the seriousness of the offences.
Representation was made with respect to certain cases where bail is normally granted for offences of this nature. It's a bailable offense, but there was arguments by the prosecution that he was a flight risk and as such may abscond. Well, there is no evidence to that effect, and the magistrate was given a number of cases that speak to his right to personal liberty, his presumption of innocence, and the fact that he's a Grenadian.
If convicted, Johnson faces up to 30 years imprisonment on each count of sexual intercourse with a minor. For GBN News, I am Nisha Paul.